In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new panel to a row in your Grafana dashboard using the visualization selector. Let's get started by opening the place where the new panel will live. Log into Grafana Cloud, then head to the dashboards area. From there, open the dashboard where you want to add the panel. Make sure you have edit access to this dashboard so you can make changes. If you're managing multiple dashboards, double-check you're in the right one to keep your workspace organized. Now, let's add the panel to a specific row. Move your mouse over the row where you want the new panel to appear. When you hover over it, you'll see a control to add something. Click the option that says +Add Panel, or in some interfaces, it might say Add Visualization. Both options take you to the same place, the panel editor. Inside the panel editor, you'll choose how the data will be displayed. This is where the visualization selector comes in. Pick the visualization type that best suits your data and the story you want to tell. For example, choose Graph for time series, Table for detailed records, or Stat for a single key metric. If you're unsure, start with a simple option and you can always change it later. Grafana makes it easy to switch visualizations without losing your work. Next, configure your data. Select the data source you want to use from the drop-down. This connects the panel to your metrics or logs. Then enter the query or metric you want to display. The query editor will look slightly different depending on the data source you choose, but the idea is the same. Specify what you want to see and watch the preview update in real time. If the panel looks empty, check that your query returns data and that the time range at the top of the dashboard covers the period you expect. Once the visualization and data look good, click Apply in the top right corner of the panel editor. This closes the editor and places your new panel directly into the row you selected on the dashboard. Take a quick look to confirm it's in the right spot and showing the right information. Finally, save your work. Click Save Dashboard in the top right to keep your changes. This makes sure your new panel stays in place the next time you or your team open the dashboard. And that's how you add a panel to a row in Grafana using the visualization selector. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.